What's up everyone, welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Today we're taking a look at Polygon and its recent price action, and make sure to watch the video till the end for a price prediction for the short and the long term as well. First things first, please smash the likes, subscribe and hit the bell icon. YouTube is not currently pushing out crypto content and it really helps if you hit the like. We're posting 4 videos per day, so come back every day for daily updates and analysis. And make sure to comment down below for your chance to win a hardware wallet in our new monthly giveaway. We'd also like to thank you all so much for your support. We're nearly at 10k subscribers, so please tap that sub button now. This is not financial advice. Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Let's begin. So as you can see, in the past few days, we have seen a nice pump out of this descending channel that we did highlight multiple times here for Polygon, and it does seem as though we are rolling over again though because of the wider market having a dump. Obviously we had the Bitcoin hash rate dropping again because miners getting kicked out of China and more FUD in general surrounding cryptocurrency. So we have been seeing a sell-off again for Bitcoin, which has been leading Polygon down as well. From what we can see here, we are currently pulling back and bouncing in and around this 130 level, where there does seem to be quite a lot of strong support. As you can see, pretty much every single time that we came down below these levels, we have actually had a decent bounce in the next few days, as you can see here. So if we did come down and basically test this macro blue trend line, all these areas here, we would be expecting a decent bounce to the upside for Polygon, considering there's a very large amount of demand in those areas for the crypto. But as we can see, things recently have been getting pretty bearish. We did actually flip our EMAs bullish here for a little bit, but we couldn't actually sustain the momentum, and we did flip bearish again because of the wider market. Since then, we have been rolling over, as we can see. We haven't even actually come back up and retested the 20. So currently we're just rolling over because of what's happening in the wider market, obviously. From what we can see, we did get a nice bullish divergence here for basically the bottoming out pattern from what we can see for Polygon. If we just take a look here, you can see bullish divergence is basically when you get lower lows on your price action but higher lows on your RSI. This basically means that the momentum of the downwards price action is decreasing despite the price continuing to go down. And as you can see, once we got this divergence here, we did get this nice push to the upside, which is very good to see. As we can see, we did actually pump from around 120 to around 170 here before this pullback. We're currently trading at around 130. And it does seem as though Bitcoin is currently bouncing in and around that 34k level, which currently means that the price action in the whole of the crypto space has been pretty bearish in general. But we are expecting a bounce for Bitcoin quite soon. As we said in our Bitcoin video that we posted today, go check that out as well. Bitcoin is looking very oversold, and pretty much every single time that it's got oversold recently, it has had a really nice bounce. And as we can see, it's no exception for Polygon either. As we can see, pretty much every single time here that we've been really oversold recently, we've had a really huge pump to the upside. I mean, this one was absolutely incredible. This one here was pretty good, but obviously it rolled over because of what was happening in the wider market. But we are anticipating that if Polygon does become more oversold, as we can see here, it does look as though it may be approaching oversold territory. And if it does look as though if we get the bounce here, we could be looking at potentially a bullish divergence here on the 4 hour. As we can see, we are getting lower lows on our price action but higher lows on our RSI for now. So if we can continue basically seeing a bit more of a pickup for Polygon and Bitcoin as well, we could be seeing a little bounce to the upside, and hopefully we could carry out something like an ABC kind of pattern here, like Elliott wave theory, basically a nice little ABC reversal out of this downtrend that we've been in here, as we can see. It does look as though Polygon is getting quite oversold right now, and obviously whenever this happens, it does look as though the price action there does basically have a nice little pump to the upside. If we just take a look at a few other examples of where we've been really oversold, we were super oversold in this area here, and obviously as you can see, we all know what happens next with Polygon. It had an absolutely incredible run up, as we can see, a huge amount of price action to the upside. But it does look as though things are looking relatively healthy for Polygon right now. We're not really seeing anything super out of the ordinary. It's obviously just following the wider market right now, which is fair enough. Considering what we're seeing in the wider market, things have been pretty bearish, but obviously it's a bloody Sunday and this happens quite a lot, obviously with futures expiring at the end of the month and everything as well. So there's a lot of bearish momentum in the market right now. But we do think Bitcoin is looking to bounce anytime now, really, considering how oversold it is. And if we do get a nice bounce for Bitcoin, then you can anticipate that we're going to get one for Polygon as well. So we are anticipating that Polygon potentially is going to get a nice bounce soon, probably back to this 170 level, or hopefully even higher to around this $2 level. so we can get this A, B, C wave like this before maybe basically a pullback for the D wave to retest the previous resistance, and then hopefully, as we've been saying, we can reach that price target that we've set for ourselves. Now we've broken out of this descending wedge. The price target is where you formed it, which is around this $230 level. So hopefully we can get this A, B, C, D, and then the E wave, which meets the target in the next month or so. But obviously, if Bitcoin starts to pick up massively, because the market is heavily led by Bitcoin currently, then we are probably going to see a huge pump to the upside. But as we said, long term, Polygon, absolutely amazing project. We do think this does have the potential to be a top 10 project in the future, with potentially hundreds of billions of dollars of market cap. I think the market cap currently is around 10 or 15 billion. So even just to get a 10x from now, that wouldn't be that ridiculous in terms of market cap. And that would be around a $13 price target. We did say $10 plus by the end of the bull run, which is probably going to be in the next year or so, depending on how long it takes for the bull run to get back underway. We're obviously experiencing a large amount of manipulation and sideways movement in the market right now, but we don't think this is going to last forever, and eventually the price action is going to start moving to the upside again once we start getting more and more bullish news coming out, and less suppression of the price. Obviously there's only so much FUD that you can actually see, but hopefully once the FUD starts to die down, hopefully in the next few weeks we will see some upwards momentum for Bitcoin. We've actually had some really good news recently, but because of the suppression of the price, in large parts, it's not really had much of an effect on the upwards trajectory of Bitcoin, but hopefully we can get that pump for Bitcoin, and then Polygon will likely follow suit. So that's our update today, guys. We'd like to thank everyone for watching. If you have any comments, questions, or suggestions, please let us know down in the comments section below. Please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you can keep up to date with all of our videos. Remember to comment down below and be subscribed to enter into our brand new monthly giveaway for a hardware wallet. If you'd like to support the channel more directly, please sign up to our Patreon via the link in the description below, or sign up to YouTube membership by hitting the join button right next to the sub below this video, where you can get access to our private Discord. We're offering coin calls, one-to-one access to us personally, insight into our personal portfolio, daily research of crypto assets with massive potential, and access to our brand new 100x portfolio. With so many benefits, you might as well check it out below. Don't forget to get 2 free stocks with Webull by signing up and then depositing $100 using our link in the description below. You can quite literally deposit the $100, get your 2 free stocks, and then withdraw the money, so there's no reason not to do that, and they could be valued all the way up to $1,600 each. But don't forget to actually deposit as well after signing up, otherwise you won't receive the second stock. Scammers get worse every day, so make sure to protect yourself and your crypto online with purevpn. Sign up below for some big discounts. You can get access to block content and protect yourself from phishing scams with super low monthly payments and high quality speeds. You can also sign up to our free Telegram via the description as well. All the links are in the description for affiliate links for discounts and free crypto, so go check them all out below. There's plenty of goodness on offer. Please like and subscribe. We are Crypto Maximalists.